So in this video I'll talk about array with pointers. Okay, so this is array. So in this video mostly I'll talk about, like, most of the student get confused like how to retrieve data if the pointer with the array in the asterisk form this is given. So like I visualize something, and through that just I want to convey like how we can simply derive the values from this expression, like in a simplest form. Okay, so what I did is that, okay, I have taken one example. One array is given that is 3 into 3 form. 3 into 3 into 3 form means 3 arrays are there and 3 subs arrays are there. Okay, so here you can see the data of this array. So this will be like this. So this is 3 comma 3 matrix array, 3 comma 3 matrix array, 3 comma 3 matrix array, and 3 subs arrays. So this is there in this form. Okay, so in general, like if you'll not go through this this diagram, don't confuse in this diagram. So if I'll ask you like what is the value of a, that easily like whoever knows, they can easily get the answer. But if I'll ask you what is the value of star a plus 1 plus 1, so in general most of people get confused. So like for my easiness as well as your easiness, I am just creating this video where I am explaining the easiest form how we can do it. So what I have done it, like here you can see that this array is present, so I have just enlarge it in this form. Okay, so this black color boundary you can see here, that is sub arrays. Okay, that brown color boundary you can see here, that inside that array. Okay, so here you can see 2 is there. So 2 I have created, 2 I have pasted here, and it has boundary green boundary, then brown boundary, then black boundary. So what is the purpose of this? I'll tell you, like why I have did it, why I have done like this. Okay, so in this what we have to do is, so like what I have done is like you can see that this is 3D array. Okay, so this is 3D array, right? So what I have done is like I have split it into 1D, 2D and 3D. This whole 3D array is split into 1D, 2D and 3D. So this green color boundaries shows that is 1D array. So 257 is present in 1 dimensional. So this is 1D. 2D of this whole array is like brown boundaries. So this whole bigger boundaries is 2D. Okay, and 3D is like the black boundary, that is 3D array. Okay, so 3 arrays are there, 1D, 2D and 3D. So 3 boundaries I have created. So as we already knows that like 3D array is there, then if we want to get into, if we want the values of any array at any location, we need at least 3 asterisk symbol. Like most of the people who does not know this, just keep in mind that we need 3 asterisk symbol. I'll tell you how. Okay, so like the technique which I have derived it, I'll tell you. So in simple form, what I am saying that like wherever asterisk is there, one single asterisk is there, we have to cross the boundary. Second asterisk is there, second boundary. 3 asterisk is there, 3 boundary we have to cross. Like that will go on. Okay, so what I am saying here that now see we'll discuss through example. Okay, now if I'll ask you what is value of a, like a, if a is representing this array, if I'll print a, so a is simply the address of this matrix. So the address, the initial address, as we know that array pointed to its initial address, like whatever it is, like 1D, 2D or 3D, it's pointed to the initial address only. So what is the initial address? That is 1000. Okay, so here yeah, I forgot to tell you that these are the addresses, like 1000, 1002. So I have taken 2 byte size for each block. Okay, so 1000, 1002, 1004, then 1006, 1008, 1010, like that. So up to 1052, because how many are there? 927 are there. Okay, so up to 52 I have taken it. So these are the addresses. So I'll ask you what is the value of 1000. It is pointing to 1000. That is like obvious thing. Everybody knows that. And finding this value, it's not that difficult. And those people who does not know this, please make a note that any array is there, it's pointed to its initial value only. Okay, starting value. So this one is 1000 only. Fine. Now if I'll ask you star a, what is value of star a? Now here I have written that star a in brown color. So what it means that what we have to do, if one star is there, then okay. What is the value of a? That is 1000. Then 1 star is there, then get inside one boundary. 1 star, 1 boundary. 2 star, 2 boundary. 3 star, 3 boundary. Likewise, here to go. So 1 star is there, get inside one boundary. So first a, it was pointing here. Okay. After that, 1 star is there, then we have get inside the another boundary. One boundary, that is 1 star. So now it is pointing to the brown 1000. Previously black 1000. Now it is brown 1000. But the value is same only. 1000 only. Okay. But it is pointing to the 2D array. Okay, now if I say here what is meaning of 2 star, So 2 star, as I say that 1 star 1 boundary, 2 star 2 boundary. So now 2 star, so pointing to the crossing to another boundary, that is 2 star. Okay, so now it is pointing to green 1000, green color 1000, so that is 1D array. Okay, so its value is same, but pointer pointing to different arrays. Okay, I'll tell you like what it signifies. Okay, now if I'll ask you what is meaning of 3 star. 3 star means 3 boundary cross. So first boundary, second boundary and 3 boundary. So it will point to 2. So that is 3 star. So its value will be 2, not 2000. So this 1000 word address of this whole arrays. A means address of 3D arrays. A star means address of 2D arrays. A double star address of 1D array, and A triple star value of its first position. Understood? So 3, as I said that 1 star 1 boundary cross, 2 star 2 boundary cross, 3 star 3 boundary. If you will visualize this thing in your mind, this complex thing, you can solve it easily. And if still you are not able to solve it, please comment down below and give some suggestion to me. Definitely I'll work on it. But this is somewhat I visualize it in my mind and I try to convey to you. I see that it can generate a better solution. Like even I also confused while solving these problems. So I visualize this thing so it can help me in future. Okay, now you got it. Now we'll come into the real problems. Now what is the value of A plus bracket star? Right? Now here A. We'll start solving from the variable. Variable is the A. Here variable is A. We'll start solving the A only from inside. Will come from inside to outside. That is basic logic in array. Okay, in mathematics also we'll start solving inside from outside. Okay, so here A I have written in black color, you can see. So what is black boundary? So black boundary plus 1. So what it is saying, A plus 1 means we have to dodge one boundary, one full 3D array. So A plus 1, so this one whole boundary is A, that is pointing to 1000. 1000 plus 1, that is not 1001, that is dodging. We are skipping, or we can say that we are pointing to the next 3D array. So now it will point to here, that is 1018. Okay, so its value is 1018, A plus 1. Now what it is saying, bracket, now go 1 star. 1 star means crossing one boundary. So 1 star means crossing one boundary, and that's why I have written in the brown color. So now it will point to brown 1018. 1018 is address. Okay, so it will go inside the one boundary, and that one boundary is brown color, that is 2D, two-dimensional array. Okay, so its value is 1018. I hope it is visible. 1018. Okay, now we'll find value of this one. So as earlier we have solved 1018, this again we will solve. So 1A plus 1, A plus 1, what it means that A is pointing to 1000, then plus 1, that is 3D. One 3D array, we have to skip it, we have to jump it, we have to dodge it, that will point to the 1018, fine. Then we have to give asterisk. Asterisk means, okay, one boundary cross it. Okay, it will point to the 1018, that is bound boundary, fine. Now it is saying that plus 1. Now in 2D also we have to jump one 2D array. Okay, because 1 is written. So here it was pointing to 1018 and its boundaries, 2D array boundaries are this. So it will point to here. It will not point to here because this is third matrix, third 3D matrix. Okay, we have to go to the second 2D matrix of the second third matrix. This is second third matrix, and we have to go to the second 2D matrix, that is plus 1. So it will point to 1024. So that is star plus 1. Fine. Now this one is equal to 1024. Okay, now again this expression A plus 1, it is written in black color. Black color means 3D array, outer side bigger boundary. So A plus 1, okay, 1000 plus 1 will go into this one. Make note that plus 1 like that it will go. If we'll add into black boundary means the outer address, that is 1000. Okay, now see 1000 is there in brown also, in green also, means 1000 is there in 3D also, 2D also, in 1D also. But like how we can access those values depend upon the asterisk only. It's depend upon its pointer only. Okay, if no pointer is given, then outer boundary only. So here A plus 1 is outer boundary, A plus 1 directly, no asterisk symbol, A plus 1, fine. Then A, that is 1000 plus 1, here will come, fine. Then it is saying that, okay, now it has given 1 star, 1 asterisk symbol. so it will go inside that. That is pointing to 1018 again. Fine. Then plus 1. Okay, that also we have done it. Plus 1 in 2D means we have given this 1 star. Plus 1 in 2D means it will point to 1024. Fine. Okay. So up to here we have calculated here. No issue. Then what? It is saying that go again 1 star means cross 2 boundary. 1 already crossed. Now again we have to cross. So it will point to 1024 of the green boundary. Okay. 1024 of green boundary. Why I'm saying it, like why I'm crossing these boundaries and all these things, because you know, like this addition plus 1 plus 2, you will get confused, like we have to dodge the 3D array, we have to dodge the 2D array, or we have to dodge the 1D array. Where we have to dodge, like where we have to go. So it's totally depend upon the asterisk, the pointer only, where and how and at what position it is given. So here you can see star, 1 star given means 1 boundary cross, 2 star given means 2 boundary, no star given means no boundary cross. We have to just dodge outer side only. That's it. So here you can see through this calculation, through this expression, we have calculated 1024. We have gone to 1024, that is brown boundary, that is 2D. Now the green boundary, that is 1024. We have given the second asterisk also. This 1024 here, 1024. If I'll say 1024 star again in this inside the brown boundary, if I'll say star 1024, it will point to green 1024. Fine. Then if I'll say plus 1, okay. Now this is 1D array. In 1D array, plus 1 means we will traverse the right hand side. So that is 1024, that will point to 1026. Okay, so this one is equal to 1026. I hope it is understandable. If not, please comment below. I'll make more easier. Okay, now we'll find what is value of this. So as you can see, this expression, inside expression, already we have derivative here. Okay, but still I'll explain it once again. So here we'll start from a plus 1 inside bracket. Okay, so a means no pointer. Here with a no pointer is there. So a means outer boundary plus 1, dodge 1. Fine, we have dodged. Now come to the bracket, that value. A plus 1 value is 1018. Now 1018 star. 1018 star means it will go inside 1018. So 1018 inside. So this brown color 1018, it will point. Fine, no issue. Now it is saying that with that plus 1. Okay. So now you can see it is 2D array. We can't traverse like this. We have to traverse vertically. So 1018 plus 1, that is 1024. So its value is 1024. Fine. Now come to the outer side bracket, that is green bracket. So it is saying that star again 1024 star. Now 1024 was previously pointing to the brown bracket, brown 1024. Now again star, it will point to the green 1024. That is 1D array. Okay, no issue. Now that 1024 plus 1, we have to jump into 1D array, one pointer, one position, that is 1024 will point to 1026. Okay, so that 1026 is this one. Okay, fine, this is address 1026. Okay, now it is saying that star 1026. So again it will cross the boundary, as we know that whenever star is present we have to cross the boundary. So 1026 will cross the boundary, it will point to the 3, so its value is 3. It is similar to, if I say this one, 3 is coming at what position? In general we say that it is coming, this one considered as a 0th position in array, this one considered as 1, this one considered as 2, right? So I can say that array first matrix is coming at 1. Fine. In 2D, this one will consider as 0, this one first location will consider as 0, this one is 1, and this one is 2. So it is coming at 1. First means the first means second row, and its location is first row for one row. Now in column also it is coming at a column, it's 0, 1, 2, that is 1. So this one is equivalent to this, that is equal to 3 only. Fine. So like I made it clear visualization. I hope it is understandable. Okay, so this was there. Let me ask you one question. I'll only solve it, but if I'll say that okay start, because I have colorized all these things, then you are able to solve it or visualize it. But if, like you know, in question, like in exam, it will not come like this. So if I'll ask a star a plus 1, what is the value of this one? Right? So there is no bracket. You pause the video, try to solve it, comment below. Now I'll show you the solution. Now see, there is no bracket. Okay, now a, what is a? A means 1000 first. Now here a star, cross first boundary, that will point to the brown one crossed. Okay, this one we have solved. Now again star, cross second boundary, crossed. Now it is pointing to the green 1000, that is 1D array. Now it is saying that this one also we have crossed. 2 star. Now it is saying that plus 1 means one jump in, we have reached to the 1D array. In 1D we have to traverse right, it will jump to the 102. So it is pointing to 1002. Understandable? Now again if I give this one as an asterisk, that is the third star. Okay, that is third pointer. So we know that three pointers are there, then you can access the value of its array. So 3 star, third star. So 102, now it is pointing to third star. What it means? Point one boundary cross again. So that is 5. So equivalent to, so this will be equivalent to 5. So guys, this is how I visualize. So which made me clear, like, okay, so in this way we can work. So if you like, please like my video. If you don't like, please comment below that this method is worst method, it is lengthier method, whatever is there in your mind, write it down, so I can see that okay, better than this some methods are there where I can visualize it. So thank you guys.